Today I have the BougeRV Camping Lantern to show you. Now it comes in this really nice canvas case that has a little carrying strap, and it has a pocket here with Velcro where you can store 3 tent stakes, and then there's also a USB-C to USB-C charging cable on this other side. I'm not going to try to get that out because it's hard to get it out when the camping lantern is in this case. So let me open it up for you. It's got a nice little zipper top. And then the lantern comes right out. And this is what it looks like. It has an army green kind of coloring to it. It's got an aluminum housing that's really nice. It's kind of heavy for the size of it. What we have down here is the USB-C charging port, and there is a 4-segment LED that shows you the charging status right there. So that's that, and you can use this to charge other devices. So it can be used as a lantern and it can be used as a power supply. It has 15,600 milliamp battery inside. Now on the bottom, we have some rubber feet here. We have a hook that you can use to hook the lantern and hang it if you want to. And we have an on-off switch. Right now it's turned on. How do you use it? Well, to use it, first of all, if you want to, it has a built-in tripod, and all you have to do is you can pull out each of these 3 legs. So it's a 3-leg tripod, and as you will notice, it has some reflectors built, a reflector built into each one of these legs. So what you do is you pull it all the way out and you just pivot it forward like so, and then you have a 3-legged tripod, which I guess all tripods have 3 legs. So there you go there. And now that we have this set up, I can talk about the top section. What we have here, we have a power button. We have a plus-minus button that lets you adjust the brightness. The brightness has 3 levels, and each one of these lamp heads on each side, each one of these is a lamp head, is capable of 1,000 lumens, I believe. It's hard to tell because this says, yeah, each lamp head has a max of 1,000 lumens. So when you have all 3 lit up, you have 3,000 lumens. How's that for math? And we have one more button here, and this button lets you use this as a flashlight. So you see right here, it's got a built-in light. So let me turn off this light. Okay, now we're and I'll turn off this light. Okay, now we are really in the dark, so let's turn it on. And then we have a flashlight. See that? Now I'm not quite sure of the lumens on this one, but you can adjust it with these plus-minus buttons. Let me find the plus-minus buttons. There's the highest brightness level, and there's the lowest, medium, high. So that's pretty nice, right? Okay, so now let's check out the actual lamp feature, the camping lamp feature. How do you open this thing? Well, you can't just pull it out, each one of these lamps out. You have to pull it. See how I did that? Now each one of these little lamp heads has a small little tab right here that fits into a slot in the base, so that when it's fully inserted like so, you can't pull it out. They're secure. So that's pretty nice. But you just pull on this head like this, and you can see that it's on a telescoping arm. And you can pull it out to a maximum of 55 inches, including when the tripod legs are pulled out. So that's a nice height for a camping lantern. I'm going to show you later what it looks like outside in the dark, but right now, let me show you that each one of these lamp heads unfolds, and it can unfold all the way up like so if you want to. But you're probably going to have it more like this, kind of like that, right? But each one of them can also rotate like so. And then, let me kind of fix this so you can see. When you turn it on, if I flip the bottom switch again, and then I press the power button, one lights up, press it again, a second one lights up, press it again, the third one lights up. And then the plus and minus buttons adjust the brightness. There's the lowest level, medium level, and highest level. Now let's go outside and see what it looks like in the dark.